This video goes through how you can use your personal study plan in your ebook as a way to review in preparation for a unit exam. So within WebAssign, after you log in and you select the home feature, you find yourself at the home screen here. And on the home screen, you've got your assignments, you've got your textbook, your ebook. But you also have something called the personal study plan. And the personal study plan goes by chapter, and it's additional quizzes and tutorials to help you obtain mastery on the skills that you're going to be tested on. So let's just say as an example, I'm getting ready to take the applications of integration test. And so if to complete the personal study plan review, I would go into applications of integration. And within that chapter then, as you can see, the textbook contents opens up. And as you can see here, the personal study plan is a tool designed to provide a set of practice exercises for each chapter of your current course. It helps you assess your skills by following a personalized path through additional resources such as videos, practice problems, and passages from the text to help build your foundation of knowledge. And so the couple of things you can do here. Here's the Chapter 7, Applications of Integration. And in that Unit 1 exam, it would cover sections 1 to 5. And so a couple of things you can access here and you can access a tutorial for each one of the sections. So if you would like to go through the tutorial has several options to watch videos on certain skills, to master certain skills. And so, for instance, the skill of setting up a definite integral that gives you the area of a region, the Master It component of this tutorial will help you set up the integrals and take you step by step. So setting up the integral for this problem, we know this to be a problem where you need 2 integrals. And so it will step you through this process of setting up the problem so that you can integrate and find the area here. So so as you can see, it will step you through, right? Step 1, write the original equation of the graphs, and so you're going to rewrite these 2 equations here, and then go on and proceed to set up the integrals. And so it really does step you through step by step. So that is the tutorial function, and then if we go back then to the personal study plan, after you view the tutorial, you can then take a practice quiz on that same content. And the practice quiz is something that is being recorded in WebAssign for a grade. If you notice in your grade book, there is a component for the personal study plan, but it gives you, again, review questions in preparation for the test in Chapter 7. And I think each quiz is maybe 8 or 10 questions long. So this gives you a additional resource to prepare yourself for the unit exam for Chapter 7. And then once you get done with the section quizzes, if you're still feeling like you need a little more review, you can go to the chapter quiz, and that will give you something that looks pretty close to the pre-test, or it can serve as almost a pre-test. So it'll cover the whole chapter and allow you to have more of a cumulative review from all sections of the chapter. So again, that's the personal study plan. And that personal study plan can be found right on your home page, listed on the left-hand side here underneath your assignments.